Hey guys, today in this video I'll show you how you can see if someone blocked you on WhatsApp. So keep watching till the very end and let's get started. First of all, open the WhatsApp application on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, you will be redirected to the chat section where all of your recent conversations will be present. Now, access the target chat, and the first indication of you being blocked is if you try to view the other person's picture, it will automatically turn into a gray silhouette. You can see that the profile is now removed, but maybe the other person removed it from their account. So another thing you can try is checking their last seen. But if it isn't appearing, then it may be an indication of being blocked. You can also try sending a message, but as you can see, there is only a single tick beside the message. Now they could have set a privacy for it, so there is no way you can be fully confident about being blocked. The last thing you can check is try adding them to a group. For that, go to the contact section, tap on the new group feature and add them to this new group. After the group has been created, go to the members section and that person won't show up inside it. If that's the case, then you have been blocked by that person. So that's basically how you can see if someone blocked you on WhatsApp. So that's all for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.